Hi everyone, it's Anna. After watching the last 91 to 100 video, many of you asked me to remake it. You told me that 91 isn't a rectangle, but shaped like stairs. And its face is stair-shaped too. You're exactly right. I have so many smart subscribers. Yeah! So I made it again just for you. A step squad is shaped like stairs. And 91 is made by putting 13 steps together. Now let's take out the rectangle 91 and put in our brand new step squad 91.